Hello, work. This is Eddie from HS Laser. Today we would like to show you of your 300 watt Mould laser welding machine. And this one is a complex machine. And you can see this is a 18 millimeter diameter rotary device. The angle can adjust from this side to this side. And this is the remote control system. You can see the working table. Also, you can adjust like if you don't want to the remote, but you can use the hand to adjust this. Here, adjust the move speed. And this is for the switch. When you press, when you foot press here, that the laser be incoming. Here is a water tuner with English system. Okay, and for here. The power supply cable, we customized 3 meter for you. And this is the CCTV camera. It is a similar function with a microscope. Okay, right now I let our engineer to show you how to work for the and the working table also can up and down. The working table up and down. So you can see. Oh, that's right. Có cái bắp canh chuẩn bị vô đây.